Sweet. Alright. Hey guys, Johnny here at G-Force Monkeys. Got Garrett with me. We are thinking about trying to get this puppy fired up a little bit and see if we can get it running. But we might do some other things to it as well. Not quite sure, are we, Garrett? Oh, alright guys. I accidentally snapped my power steering pump. I found this excess wire for a hose right here from before when they were doing everything, and they couldn't get it out. And I've been struggling to get it out. In the process, I snapped my damn power steering pump hose. So, alright guys, Canon camera was getting a little bit moist. So we're using the phone out here today. We were going to work on the car, motor and stuff. We got kind of dug into it a little bit, and we need to do some research. Alright, so instead of what we're going to do, we're going to try to get this all stripped out. Garrett, go grab the light. We're going to see how much of this interior we can get stripped out of here today. Alright, and then we're going to hopefully maybe try to sell it, all the interior parts, and fund everything else. Here, show them the interior.
All of that, and then we got bucket seats back here.
Bucket seats in the back. We're going to strip it all out. Alright guys, Garrett's here with me again, Johnny. So we just ate some food, ate some dinner, and now we're going to continue on stripping her out. Let me show you what she looks like on the other side. Right inside there, buddy. So right here we got, here's some parts. We're going to get rid of these parts, sell them. Rid of them. Here's the buckets in the back. We got those out. There we go. Check it out. We just got these out right before we went and ate dinner. Now we got to unbolt the back and then strip out the carpet eventually. So yeah. Next we should see you guys. We should hopefully have the seats out at least. And yeah, we're going to get warm again too. We got the heater going. Booyah! Alright, be right back. Alright you guys, so this is what I'm working with, trying to figure out. Okay, so this is a wiring nightmare. It's not too bad really, actually, to be honest with you. It's not going to be too hard to figure these wires out. I've done stuff like this before. See, so this is what we got. We got the Msd Ignition. So I looked up the wiring for this. I fixed this puppy right here, which isn't actually connected to anything over there. But I'm keeping it over there. So I remember where this bad boy goes. Right here. And then I posted asking what this puppy right here was, but I figured out what this is. Can't remember the name of it right now. Something's I can't remember. This is the solenoid right here. So I'm going to order this right here. It's all rusted out. I'm going to order a new one. Maybe an upgraded model. And then order a new one of these as well. We're going to install these. So this plugs into here. Yeah, we're going to replace this stuff. So for now, snipping wires, get everything kind of moved back. And then Garrett's working on stripping out the interior, getting this bad boy stripped out. Remember you guys, the interior is going to be for sale, local. I don't feel like shipping seats. Hey Garrett, what's up buddy? What are you doing? Thanks bud. What are you doing?
I am taking out the seats.
Alright, tell them about your YouTube channel.
Oh, Garrett's Review Squad. We review cool toys and awesome things, so go check it out and go subscribe and make sure to turn that notification bell on, please.
Good. Alright, hey, we've only made one video. We haven't had much time because I'm in school. But we figure Garrett can help out with the videos and help out with the car and learn how to work on cars with me. Well, I mean, I've been working on cars as a personal hobby, so I'm trying to teach him some stuff. So, anyways. Alright, you guys, we got the seats out, and here we are. Looking pretty good so far. Check this out. What is this? Alright, the human Brothers Band. Look at these rock stars. Alright, see if it's in there, see if I get lucky enough. No! Human Brothers! I'll have those in the car and see what this sounds like. Anyways, gotta take out the back seat belts now. Actually, I might leave them in for now, but we gotta take this carpet out. Guess I gotta unbolt everything. Alright, got the crowbar, or the breaker bar here. Alright, you guys, next phase, getting the carpet out. Wish us luck. I know that some of these bolts can be kind of a pain in the butt to get out, so we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. See you in just a few little bit here. Alright, we are pretty beat now. We have gotten pretty far. I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on. This is how far we've gotten with Misty. So, pretty good. That's exactly what we were looking for. So, now we can start subtracting wires and easily get this thing rewired and get everything where we want it to be.
Tell them about the mice.
What's that?
Tell them about the mice.
Oh, we found some dead mice, finally, behind the kick panel on the driver, or behind the kick panel on the passenger side. So, you're not stupid, ding dong. I don't know how much further we're going to go tonight. But, we are making progress, people. Making progress. Got to kind of rip everything off and start fresh kind of thing with this kind of stuff. But at least we got some time to work on it with school and everything. It's been kind of hard. Yeah, alright, let's see what we can get done next. All the carpet out, and found where some mice came from. Go ahead and hop in there, buddy. On that side, I'll go over here. We removed this kick panel right here. Here's the kick panel, and look right in there what we found. We found some mice. Dead mice.
You can see one right there.
Right there. It's gross. So, I'm gonna move this nastiness. Tell what you were trying to do.
I was trying to vacuum all that crap up. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. But, I mean, kind of worked. You know.
Is this rich?
As what?
No. So. Alright, there we go. Let's finish this. Mice infestation. And if they ever had any issues with their car. The wires seem to appear okay. So, we don't really care though, because we're running this thing straight. We're just trying to narrow down wires and start unplugging and figuring these things out. Look at that.
What?
Look at that.
What's that?
These are the kinds of things right here that ruin cars like these. Because
What
something's, well, I don't know where it plugs in it, but it's all corroded. See that?
Yeah.
So it probably grounded out somewhere, and it could have caused a short in this car, and nobody can find it because it's buried deep underneath the carpet.
Right. Oh, that scared me. This thing touched me.
Go ahead and
It's
finish
right
back.
there. But, yeah, I guess Johnny will take over.
Alright, you guys. We're gonna keep working a little bit here, and then probably wrap it up pretty soon. Well, we've made some pretty good progress, as you guys can see. I finally got that out down here. That was a pain. Come here and show them this, Garrett. So, this carpet was attached to this foam. Foam underneath. And it was so hard to cut through. See how thick this is? So thick. So
Dang.
it was really hard, but we got through it, and now we're on to stage 2. So last night, me and Garrett got just about all the interior out of Misty, and I think the next things we're going to be working on is getting some of the wiring stuff figured out. Also probably lining up a racing seat, and then figuring out how to get a 4-point harness possibly set up in there, but that should, that's going to come eventually. For now, we're going to try to get the rest of the car dialed in, and we will see where we go from here. Huh, Garrett? All right. Peace out, y'all.